It allows you to easily hem new pants, fix small holes or tears, and even design your dream wardrobe, all without going to the tailor. There are many products available to choose sewing machines, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best sewing machines from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Singer M3500 Sewing Machine. If you're in the market for a beginner-friendly option that won't break the bank, this sewing machine might be your best match. Automatic needle threader quickly threads machine with ease. Free arm to sew hard-to-reach areas. Easy one-step buttonhole for consistent results every time. In our tests, the automatic needle threader was simple to use and can thread your needle in a few easy steps. We were impressed by how well this machine moved through different fabrics, including wool and cotton jersey. It only struggled with delicate fabrics like silk chiffon. During testing, we did notice the one-step buttonhole function got stuck a few times, but it ran smoothly after rethreading. This simple machine is ideal for hemming new clothes and repairing tiny tears and holes. Number 2. Brother CS7000X Computerized Sewing. Beginners need a machine that is intuitive but has enough features to tackle more advanced tasks as they learn. This model from Brother is up to the task. It has clear threading and bobbin winding directions and still boasts a variety of buttonholes, 70 stitch options, and a needle up, down button. In our lab evaluations, we found it easy to thread, change the presser feet, and adjust the speed. It sewed through a variety of fabrics with minimal inaccuracies, but we found it handled satin materials with a bit of difficulty. Note that the thread holder may look short at first, but its height is actually adjustable. It includes 10 different presser feet with multiple bobbins to start your sewing journey. Number 3. Singer Heavy Duty 4452 Sewing Machine. One of the most popular heavy-duty sewing machines on the market, the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 sewing machine is great for sewing through challenging fabrics like denim and leather. The needles are size 16, which can penetrate multiple layers of tough fabrics like denim. A non-stick foot is included for other challenging fabrics like leather and vinyl. The pressure of the presser foot is adjustable, so you can use less force when sewing more lightweight fabrics. With 32 built-in stitches, this machine is great for heavy-duty and standard fabrics alike. The Singer Heavy Duty 4452 sewing machine is a true workhorse. The stainless steel bed plate enables smooth fabric flow, and the heavy-duty interior metal frame ensures skip-free sewing. Top drop and bobbin is easy to insert, remove, and monitor thread supply. Number 4. Juky Tl2000 Kai Sewing. Juky sewing machines are popular for being sturdy, long-lasting quilting machines that can tackle multiple layers of fabric easily, ideal for sewing large quilts, canvas, and other thick fabrics. Some of our GH analysts actually learned how to sew on Juky machines. This Juky machine boasts features designed just for quilting like automatic thread cutting, a knee lifter, presser foot pressure adjustment, and free motion capabilities. The bright light makes it easy to see your detail work. Reviewers love that this advanced machine stays quite still when sewing quickly and makes minimal noise. Number 5. Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine. Although it weighs under 3 pounds, this mini sewing machine can handle many different sewing projects. Young sewers can benefit from the simple design for easy threading and the finger guard to prevent injuries. It has 2 different speeds, which is great for kids who are learning. This machine includes different colored threads and bobbins, scissors, a measuring tape, a seam ripper, needles, and more to get started. Support a DC power supply or batteries power supply, which is wireless, easy to turn on with button or foot pedal. Convenient to start the sewing jobs. The machine has a threading direction marked on it, making it easier for you to thread. This item is designed with a mini size and offers one stitching type. It is not complicated but meets the basic sewing needs of most households. Once your child masters this machine and can sew safely, we recommend upgrading to a higher-end beginner model for more advanced projects. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.